That's pretty dope. All right, let's go over here, see if you can still track me. What's up guys, Lloyd here, back again with another unboxing video. Alright, so this is probably gonna be my last unboxing video of the year 2020. We did a little bit of an early Christmas presents opening and all that stuff, and my girlfriend got me this guy right here, DJI, I almost said Mavic, it's OM4. It's the 3-axis gimbal stabilizer thing for your phone. I have an iPhone 12 Pro Max. Hey, can never go crazy enough with stabilization, right? I've never owned a DJI gimbal before, so this is actually my first one. However, I did own a couple of old-fashioned gimbal for my phone as well as my DSLR camera right here. So yeah, this is really exciting. All right, for the unboxing itself, I already kind of unwrapped it because you guys don't need to see that. Typical unboxing stuff though. Just gonna open that up. Woo. Oh boy. Alright. Don't want to stab myself. Someday I will stab myself in front of the camera, guys. Alright, so let's see here. Wow. Create a magnetic moment. Interesting. Let's go ahead and get this guy out. Ooh. Wow, okay, so instantly the gimbal itself is right there, kind of like with DJI Mavic Mini Drone. Excellent. But before that, let's go see what's in here. Oh wow, okay. It's just basically a carrying pouch or something right here. Just take this guy out. And then some sort of like a alignment guide thing and a bunch of other stuff, I guess. Let's just open this guy up real quick then. Look at this, guys. Wow, I think this is for the magnetic thing. I'm not gonna stick this thing because of the MagSafe, and I don't want to ruin that. It's not gonna ruin it, but it's just, if I still want to continue using the MagSafe charger, I can't really have this. So maybe I'll stick it on my other phone. I don't know. All right, and then right over here we have, wow, a massive quick start guide. Holy moly. All right, and then now for this guy, see some alcohol pads, dry wipes, and all that stuff, kind of like for your screen protectors, I guess. All right, so those are all the stuff. And for the actual gimbal itself, we have this guy right here. It seems like riser pad for small phones, iPhone 7, 8, SE, all this stuff. And over here is the actual phone holder thing for the gimbal. So it's the future of possible. Here you go, guys. Boom. I'm still so amazed by this camera and how fast it focuses. All right, we got over here a stand, and also I guess the holder thing too. Want to hold your gimbal. And right over here is the USB-C charger. Okay, now for the gimbal itself. All right, that's pretty neat. Yeah, it's very different than the ones I'm used to. Seems like this doesn't have some sort of like a weight adjuster thing. Okay, it lifts up. All right, cool. Wow. So yeah, there it is. DJI. Assuming this is like the magnetic thing, and that's pretty cool. It has whatever this thing does. I'll figure it out. Great. Wow, this is so amazing. I don't actually have to do these kind of old-fashioned. Oh my gosh, wow, that is so cool. Ah, this magnet is freaking strong. Did you guys see that? Check that out again. Wow, that's dope. Wow, let's do that again close up, guys. Close up. See how dope that is. So I have to align it, but oh, there we go. There we go. So let's do that again. Boom. Wow, that's neat. So like I said, this is my first DJI gimbal. I don't really know what the others look like. However, I can actually show you guys what I used to use, which is, let me just go get it real quick. So here are the old gimbals that I used to own. Oh my gosh, this thing is so heavy. But yeah, this is for my phone. It's got that little weight thing. I think some people still uses these, but this is considered old, I guess. Back in my day, this is what we used to use. But anyways, you gotta adjust the weight, and then you gotta make sure everything is centered, and then I don't know, this part right here. So it's really nice to just have this by itself. You can just leave it like that, and when you're ready to shoot a steady video or something, you just clip it on, boom, and you're good to go. And then if you need to text somebody or, you know, respond to an email, you just go like that. You can basically just leave this here and don't have to worry about it. I mean, I don't mind at all too. This is for my DSLR, but I actually also used it for my phone for a little bit. But basically, these are like weights, stabilizers, stuff like that. Just kind of balances it. I use it most for my DSLR. I don't even know how to work this anymore. It's been so long. Oh my gosh. But anyways, yeah, this thing basically goes down and then you just have to like hold it. Okay, so let's get on the setup itself, guys. It looks like I have to download an app here according to the box itself. Alright, so for the setup itself, guys, of course you just gotta download the app from the App Store. So go to your App Store. They have it for Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. So I'm just gonna type in, according to the box, it says DJI Mimo. Alright, so it looks like it's this one. Just wanna make sure. It's by DJI, awesome. Cool. Alright, so just wait for it to download. Okay, open, agree to terms, all that stuff. You're welcome to participate, blah, blah, blah. All right, so it asks for location. So just allow while using. Fine, connect to device local network. Okay. Send you notifications. Sure, why not? Like to use Bluetooth, of course. Like to access, allow access, yes. Okay, great. I think that's pretty much all for the app. All right, so let's get the device connection set up. So according to this guy right here, this is the power on button. Oh wow, it makes some weird sound right there. Device connection. Oh, it looks like that's my thing. So let's go ahead and tap on that. Connect. Pair. All right, agree. Activate device when you connected for the first time. Okay, it looks like I need to log in first. All right, so after you're logged in, or if you created an account, it'll take you to this screen right here. So basically it's just saying install the phone first before activating, because it's just gonna jitter around and stuff like that. So to install it, basically you just kind of look for that dot right there. Or actually there's a dot right there too. I don't know if you guys can see that. So dot alignments. But yeah, so after that, I'm just gonna click activate. All right, so after I click activate, it says DJI Care refresh. I don't need that. Okay, so after activation and stuff, it'll take you to the questionnaire. So go to questionnaires. Why do you want to own? What the fudge? Why is it asking this? I don't freaking care. I just want to use it. Jesus, for YouTube, man. Come on. All right, so once you've completed those stuff, basically it takes you to the screen. Activation success. Notice for beginners. All right, done. So once those are done, it needs to do some firmware installation, and it looks like it's 0.5 megabytes, guys. So just install it, and it just basically flips the frickin' out. So once the firmware update is complete, it'll just basically flip back up, and just press done. DJI would like to access microphone, yes. Camera, yes, whatever. Okay, there it is, guys. Boom. Okay, let's test it out. All right, guys. So, how does it look? Is it stable? Using the front camera right now, just walking here and stuff. But I wish I can actually switch to the back camera. Unfortunately, I can't do that. But you know, let me know how it looks. I'm gonna test out the back camera now. All right, here's the back camera. Let me know how it looks. Here's my doggo. Hi, baby. All right. You know how it looks, guys. It's my gig setup, guitar. Dope. All right. Okay, now let's do a quick running test. See if I can run with this. Ooh, let's do that again. The dog's chasing me. She thinks I'm playing. All right, come on. Yeah, go, go, go. All right. Awesome. Okay, that's the front camera. And now let's test out the back camera running test. All right, how did that look, guys? Let's do that again. Watch out. All right, let's do that again. Boom. All right, cool. Now let's test out the active track mode, guys. So how does it look? Is it tracking me? Is it tracking me? Yeah? Is it tracking me? Yeah? That's pretty dope. All right, let's go over here. See if it can still track me. What's up? What up, mother yars? Oh, okay, it doesn't do a 360. I forgot about that, but all right. Yeah, but that's pretty dope. Wow. Okay, so I can like do some cooking videos or something, and you guys can just check me out or something like that. But yeah, I can go over here. Sorry about the dishes, and over here, maybe over here too. How far can it track me? Okay, can you still track me here? Yeah. Wow, that's pretty dope. Okay. Alright, so that was some sample clips of the DJI OM4, guys. Really loving it. It's probably the most advanced handheld smartphone stabilizers that I've ever owned, and I love how quick the setup is as far as like turning it on and just getting it ready for, you know, usage and stuff like that. Now for first impressions, as far as the design goes, it's really great, very stylish, and just the overall user interface and stuff like that is very great. However, what I don't like is the clamp thing, basically to hold your phone while it's magnetic. What I mean by that is like when you hook it up and stuff, you know, there's like that gap and stuff like that. I don't know if the camera can catch it, but it's not like gripping it as much as I'd like it to. However, if they made it more universal, kind of like these ones right here, and magnetic, then definitely I'll be all over it. But look at that, like that's how it should be. So maybe DJI might come up with another version of this specific for the iPhone 12 lineup. However, I don't mind though, it still grips it pretty good just because it's got that grippy material right there. Other than that though, guys, I don't have anything else bad to say about this. It's really great overall, and definitely a upgrade compared to this one right here. Alright guys, well that is all for this video today. Thank you so much for watching. Lots of contents will be made using this DJI OM4. Definitely lots of B-rolls will be shot using this instead of my ZV-1, mainly because of the iPhone's quality and all that stuff. But if you guys found this video helpful in some ways, hit that thumbs up button and possibly subscribe as well. But other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.